So let's set the chosen plan. So now when the user chooses a plan, so we need to display the subscription form. But before we display the subscription form, so we need to set the chosen plan first. So to do that, let's add a new controller and let's call it subscription controller. So hit enter and we are done. So let's move to our controller, which is the subscription controller. So this one. So let's add the first function, public function, and name it show subscription form. So this function will show the subscription form once the user chooses a plan from here. So let's add content. So first what we need to do, so we will get here the plan that the user has chosen. So we need to get the plan. And once we have the plan, so let's import the model. Once we have the plan, so we will store it in session. So session put, and we put chosen plan, and we give it the plan. And finally, we return back. Okay. So this is the function. Let's add also the route so the user can choose a plan. So to choose a plan, the user needs to be logged in. So let's use here, or let's change it to subscribe slash, and here we will send plan and slash plan and use subscription controller, and don't forget to import it, and the method, what is the name, show subscription form. So copy and paste here, and name, let's name it subscription dot show. So you can name it anything you want, not anything you want. So now we have our route. So now we can use it here. So when the user tries to or to subscribe or choose a plan, so we can call the routes that we have defined, which is this one. Where is it? So where is subscription? So this one. So copy from here and paste here, and we need to send the plan ID. Okay, so you can get the chosen plan. Okay, so now let's refresh the page. So if we choose the full QR codes plan, so if we hit choose plan or choose plan, so we redirects the back, but we don't know if the user has chosen a plan. So to do or to fix this problem, so let's go back to our card here. So we need here to do a test. So we check if the session has the chosen, I think chosen with only one O. Let's see what we have done here. So only one O. Okay. So chosen plan. If the session has chosen plan and the currently plan ID is equal to session get the chosen plan ID, so what we will do in this case, so we will add a border class, which is border, and border danger, and border 2. If not, we will add nothing. Okay. So let's refresh the page. So now we have already a chosen plan. So as you can see, this is the plan that the user has chosen. Let's choose, for example, starter. So now we have the starter. Let's choose the super full QR codes. And we have super full QR codes. Okay. So now we need to display the subscription form here. So once the user choose plan, so we need to display the subscription form here so the user can subscribe and pay the plan. Okay. But before we do that, so we need to install a package. So we need to install the package so we can use Stripe inside our projects. And also we can display Stripe checkout form. Okay, so this package to add it, use composer require, and name of the package is stripe /stripe-php and hit enter. Okay, and I will wait until it's done, and once done we will display our subscription form and send or make the user subscribe to a plan.